Hi folks, good afternoon. Now, right now in on UHRS, we can found another hitapp. The hitapp name is News Entry Judgment in the English version. This is the lease expiry time. So the main theme of this hitapp is this is the URL, and if you click on this URL, the web page looks like this. This one. It is a uh, snapshot of the page, but to show this snapshot you should install from Chrome store the UHRS extension. If you don't have this UHRS extension installed, then you can't see this preview. So first of all, you have to attach, or you have to uh, load this UHRS extension into your Chrome. So first of all, we need to inspect this page. So I just click here to open a new tab to analyze thoroughly. I just open this page in a new tab, and you can find that if you minutely read this page, you can find various kinds of local news. It is for Canada, right? So how I can recognize this? So you need to research by yourself. You need to research, and you can see that, see this advertisement, the Canada's trusted voice. And the mainly news here you can find is about Canada. So you can say that this the standard is the Canadian local newspaper, local sports, and mainly it is for sports, and this section is for sports. And news is also here, and their local news, and Canada, provincial, world. So it is like in our case the Anandabajar Putrika, right? It's a local news, but this URL list the sports section and the news here are latest. Like, how can you see this September 08 2021? So it is fresh. It is fresh news, not outdated one. So based on this kind of analysis, you have to um, judge whether this URL list quality news, high quality, low quality, or there is no news at all, or adult content or foreign content. Like this page is written in Arabic, so you just need to click on this foreign content. This is a porn site, then adult content. If this news is, there is no news actually, like the login page, like the sign up page or the corporate page, then it is obviously no news. Links are not working. Like, you click on this link and this is not working. So in this case, you have to choose this and this one. And if you find that this page contains old news, you can also choose this one. If there is 404 error, like page does not found, does not exist, then you have to choose this. only image and video result. Only video is there, there is no textual information or actual news. So in that case you have to choose this. It is an article detail page, not news list page. So you have examples here. You can click on any of the example and you can see that what is only image and video list, like this CNBC news, only video is showing here, right? Only video is here. So in this kind of scenario you just need to choose this one. Mainly list middle or low quality news. Local news is low quality because it is of interest of local people. News about some boring topic or some useless topic. Grammar or spelling issue in the list, have a bad page design, like ads are popping up and you can't see the main content, or ad it is like a clickbait where the various ads or multiple ads are displaying but without a small content, without a content or very small content. So the main goal of this page is to earn money. Some boring or bogus news particular to an industry, or only old news but fresh than 6 months. Here we can see that only old article more than 6 months, and it is fresh than 6 months for more than 14 days. High quality means it is less than 1 day old. First of all, it is impactful, like it is about these topics, and it is global, not local. Okay, so based on this, so I can analysis. My analysis is that you can find that here in the URL you can see ca.ca, that is Canadian website, and you can find it is sports section and local news. So I think the second one, the local news, I will choose this one, local news, because it is local to Canadian people. And sports results is there, but the sports results is not for um, global sports, it is for local sports. Like, see this, it's not about Olympics. So this is a subjective job. Mm, Here your analysis may be different from my analysis. So it is a subjective, and you need to put some time to think about this. So this is the heat up, and I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, you can like, you can subscribe and share this video to your friends and families. And this heat app is now available on UHRS. That doesn't mean that this heat app will gone forever. It will return. So it is better to qualify for this heat app, whether you will work or not, because these heat apps are frequently appeared on UHRS. So whenever so if you qualify now, if you qualify this heat app now, then you don't need to re-qualify when this will appear again on UHRS. So it doesn't mean that the heat app will gone forever. The heat app will reappear after a certain time. So just qualify it, just start working. If you don't start working, at least qualify this heat app. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.